Welcome to the Ten Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting us. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Northern Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Cape Town City 0. My brother, how's it?
No, it's sharp, how's it?
Sharp, man. Your take on the game tonight?
Yeah, man, it's a hard draw today. We came here expected to win, so then we can move from number 8 at least the Real Melanyana Gopele. But the way that's in Katenge, I can give credit to Nabi. Team that's too much. So it's unfortunately Arako no win. Arako no core. So, but anyway, I can tell you that we need to work very hard in terms of finishing. Team Arena Team Arena create more chances, of which the chances already create in Kebarekonodi Uriberekis. Top 3, top 2 somewhere.
Exactly.
Because of game it's a buy already lose it and we were doing very well. It's unfortunately we are not using those chances that we are creating. But the Dove, who Dove Mole, getting Lilepo there, Kaile there on the middle. Norway at least is trying to bring him so then he can work with a Kaile Mole. So I think it's a good link for me. So our team had a good structure today, and our team have had a good link on this game. It's unfortunately Mushini Ohanegarena Sesini. Relay Cape Town Radita Pila. Like it's hard for us, and we are expecting, but I still have that hope we will finish this Betway number 4, number 5. So, but let us not attack our players. Why I'm saying this? Yes, I know Ranga is not doing well, but in terms of protecting the entire team, let us support him. Why I'm saying this? Immediately, Ranga atwara ball, wa panic. Immediately receive a ball, overly shook fear. Why? Mentality abused. Reason why, and it's not only affecting Ranga, it's affecting team yote because of if Ranga ba mo file ball, kamele ante sita ya pass e sharp. Asa konore adale bolo ele because of emotional moyon. Then it affect our bolo lenkebe I did it better, but in terms of pressure, he's not doing better. So let's support him. Already management on the field the way we see, and the already management take a decision if they are still going to have him junior or Biang. But us as a supporters, most situation is so. Let's stick with them. Shabalala Shule Umesita today. If to say
it's a game.
But it happened in football. Emotions, yes, I understand. But in terms of football, we need to understand, or sometimes it happened. More respecting look at Modi. Same thing every game, but look at he scored goal last time. So. So wabona so dilota so ba fethu let's stick with ntwe ke khopela mo di supportong gore are supporting ba fethu ba rena I daba bile le good game or ababa le good game ke na le di game tse ntshitse le re Villa kaze utlile where we expected him ba mo fana ko nyane he ataka first lineup he's not doing well but there mutlisa ka second lineup he's doing well he's a good player to read the game on the bench so when you bring him in the pitch he make the difference look at him he scored last time but other games he's not doing well but we grow in football. Our players under Nabi, they have changed, and you can see where they are doing better. You can see where big by big we are going there, but we lose. But I can still tell you that we are going to compete on the M10 80. They can't take us out on M10 8. But draw doesn't make me to be fear going to a Nedbank Cup. Let me tell you, Mr. Ngobo, we are going to knock Mamelodi Sundowns. I know they are going to, but it's a game of football. Sometimes Kukune can win that game.
Is a new coach now.
So we can't rinyates Kukune. Kukune sekare makata sabeta Sundowns.
Remember, Sundowns was supposed to finish the league invincibly and then they lost against who? No, it was Cape Town City, but the coach was who?
Oh, the one that is
Anything,
playing,
yeah.
yeah. So, and he's a good coach.
possible, yeah.
He's a good coach, and I think he knows what he's going to do there. But I can wish Sekhukhune all the best. Good luck. I know about Tariki Chabela Sundowns. I'm not fear for Sundowns. Sundowns ke feel a tough game. Look at the way ke getting the Sundowns kate. Ke bile president bashimane bale ba re bontshitse they're not fear for anything. Look at Gemiri getting the Orlando Pirates. They show us that they can do these things. But in terms of patience with them, believe me, we're going to be trouble team next season. But for now, on my conclusion, I'm telling you, either it's Sekhukhune or it's a Mamelodi Sundowns. Game here today, I determine who we are not ready. We are ready for those people. And we are going to knock them out. We are going to knock them out. We are going to the final. Ready for the final. This is my wish. After such a while, re sa bone final ya derby. Wish ya ka gore re kere final ya derby. Re bankela yona ka re ba re ke di defending champions. Re nke straight ko matsong a bona. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother.